Let's make it let's start that one. No, all right, so what we're gonna do, I forgot what we're gonna make. All right, we're gonna make not strawberry Pop-Tart cookies, but hey, if you see that recipe, you need to make those. We ate over half that batch in one evening. It was really kind of sad. All right, over here, we're gonna do a chicken with a Creole mustard sauce. That's what we're making. All right, what we've got in our pan here, we've got 1 tablespoon of butter. To that, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're going to turn that heat on. A nice little medium there. Right here I've got 4 chicken breasts. And what we're going to do is we're going to salt and pepper both of these sides fairly heavy. We've got that nice salt and pepper. Over here you can see that our oil and butter is beginning to bubble a bit. Just going to set that in there and we're going to cook this roughly 5 to 6 minutes per side. Once we have got our chicken that's done, and as you can tell, made quite a mess on the stove. You want to make sure that your internal temperature of your chicken is 165. You want to make sure that it's cooked all the way through. Now in our skillet, we're going to add 1/2 cup of sweet onion, and we're going to saute this for 4 to 5 minutes. Once they get that nice little golden caramelized color, we're going to add 1 cup of chicken broth. I'm going to cook this for another 2 minutes. All right, now we're going to add 2 tablespoons. We're using spicy brown mustard. If you have Creole mustard, you can use that as well. Then we're adding 1 tablespoon of honey. I'm going to use my finger to get that out of there. You can do this at home. Don't do it if you work in a restaurant though. Alright, and we're going to add 1/2 cup of heavy cream. And 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. That is way more than 1/4 teaspoon. That's not. And we're just going to cook this for another minute or 2. Alright, now we're going to put our chicken back into our sauce. And we're going to let this cook on low, maybe 4 or 5 minutes. Once our chicken is finished cooking and we have let some of that sauce, wow, look at that. I'm just going to take a spoonful of that sauce, pour on top, and then that fresh thyme that we had earlier, we're just going to take some of that little thyme, peel it off, sprinkle that across the top, gives it an extra little flavor, and there you have it. Additional delicious chicken, perfect for an evening night at home.